arithmetic operations. So in our previous lecture, we discussed examples related to addition and subtraction. Okay. Today we will be discussing how to perform multiplication and division in binary for given floating point numbers. Suppose we have two floating point numbers, say number A, it is having mantissa part A, MA into say R power exponent power EA. Exponent value is EA. Okay, R is the radix value. It is 10 for decimal numbers and 2 for binary numbers. Okay, and the second number is B. So mantissa for B is MB, and radix value will be same, and exponent power is EA. Okay. So for addition and subtraction, as we have discussed, the first step becomes to make exponent values equal. Say E. Okay. So this we can do by adjusting, say, value of mantissa of number A to adjust the EA value to make it equal to EB value. Okay. Or we can also adjust the mantissa of number B to make exponent B equal to exponent A. Okay. So then to perform addition and subtraction, the new value of mantissa will be, it will be M A plus for addition and minus for subtraction MB. Okay, this will be the new value of M, okay, into exponent R power E. Okay. So in this way we can perform the addition and subtraction. Okay. And in case of multiplication and division, okay, it's not required to adjust the exponent values all the time. So we simply perform the multiplication by multiplying M of mantissa of A number with mantissa of B number. Okay. With this we obtain a new mantissa value, and then exponent will be, it will be R power sum of EA and EB. So we add the exponent values and mantissas are simply multiplied. Similarly, in case of division, mantissa of say A number is divided by mantissa of B, and exponent will be the difference of exponent of A and exponent of B. Okay, this will be the process that we will follow in the coming examples related to multiplication and division. Okay, so to understand the concept, let us consider some examples related to multiplication first, and then we will be considering the division examples. Let's say, suppose we have to multiply two numbers. We consider a simple number. One is 3.5 and second is 2.5. We have to multiply 3.5 and 2.5. So now these are in decimal form. Okay. The first step is to write the numbers in binary form. So how can we write 3 in binary? It will be 1, 1. Then 0.5. So 0.5 it should be written as 0.5 into 2. It will be 1.0. Then 0.0 into 2. It will be 0.0 and so on. Because after that you will find zeros in this string. So it will be 1.11, say let it be 0, into 2 power 0. Okay. Similarly, 2.5 we can write as 2.5 is equal to, now 2 can be written as 10, then 0.5, it is same to the 0.5 of the previous number, it is 10 into 2 power 0. Okay, so now we have a mantissa of first number is this, it is 11.10, and mantissa of second number is 10.10, and exponents is 0 in both the cases. Okay, so now first step is to multiply the mantissas 11.10 and 10.10. Okay, so simply write, you can use simple multiplication, that is 11.10, then 10.10. Okay, now multiply the numbers, it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 1, 1, then consider next bit, it will be 0, 0, 0, then consider last bit, that will be 0, 1, 1, 1. Now add, it will be 0, 0, 1, 1, then 1 plus 1, 0, then carry 1 plus 1, 0, then carry 1 plus 1, 0, and final carry. Okay, now place the decimal value after 4 bits from right side, so this. Okay, so this is new value of mantissa. Okay. So now we can write the answer, that is the multiplication of the numbers will be, it is first number, okay, into mantissa of second number into 2 power 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. Okay, so it will be, this we have already obtained, it is 1, 0, 0, 0.1100 into 2 power 0. So we can now neglect this term because it is 1, it will be 1. So now you can verify the result. Okay, so this is the product of two numbers, given two numbers. Okay, now we can verify the result by converting it back to the equivalent decimal value. So now 1000, it represents 8. Then 0.11. So this 1 represents 2 power minus 1 into 1, plus next one represents 2 power minus 2 into 1, and rest of the bits will be 0, 0. Okay, so this is 2 power minus 1, this is 0.5, then 2 power minus 2, it will be 0.75, sorry, 0.25. Okay, so total becomes 0.75. The answer is 8.75. Okay, so we can verify it in this way. So this conversion from binary to decimal is just for verification purpose. Okay, otherwise you can be given a problem like say you can be provided with numbers in floating point form. Okay, like if we write this number in floating point, it will be 1.110. Standard form is 2 power 1, then it will be 1.1 1.010 into 2 power 1. Okay, so in floating point form, the number can be written as Yes, Sarthak. Sarthak, please mute yourself. So the first number can be written in standard form once since the number is positive. So first bit will be 1. Then we write that biased exponent value. Now it is 1. We add 3 to this, it becomes 4. So 4 is written as 1, 0, 0. Then we write the mantissa value. It is 1, 1, 0. Then we add 1, 0 to make it 8 bit. Okay. Then next is, now it is also positive number. Then again exponent is 1, so biased exponent will be 4, so it will be 1, 0, 0. Then write the mantissa value. Okay. So these are two given numbers. So one number is 3.5, second is 2.5. Okay. So you can be given the problem like say problem statement can be multiply the following floating point numbers. Floating point numbers. Okay. It is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So to so these are the given numbers, binary numbers in floating point form. Okay. So you have to convert these numbers into scientific form. Okay. You have to write the mantissa and exponents of the numbers in this form. Okay. Then apply the multiplication, you will get this result. Now you can write this number again in this floating point form. Okay, you can write it in the desired form. Okay. So for the time being, just learn how to multiply two given binary numbers provided in scientific form. Means if you are given with mantissa of one number, mantissa of second number, and exponent of one number, exponent of second number, how can we multiply the number and can be result can be obtained. Okay. Okay, to understand the concept, let us consider one more example of multiplication. Okay. Then the concept will be more clear to you.
सर सर जो प्रोसेसर है वो तो जैसे 8 बिट फॉर्म है तो उसी को मल्टीप्लाई करेगा ना, वो साइंटिफिक फॉर्म को नहीं पता ना।
Actually, we have to write the algorithm for simple processors like 8085 microprocessor, which cannot have the floating point processor. Actually, floating point processor is a different type of processor which can directly deal with the floating numbers. Okay. Otherwise, for simple microprocessors, you have to write the algorithm according to this logic. Okay.
Okay.
Even in this, I have shown that we can multiply binary numbers like we multiply the decimal numbers. Okay. Otherwise, you have to follow the methods we discussed, like shift and add method. Okay. And boost multiplier. Those are the algorithms which are used for binary multiplication. Okay.
Okay.
The second example is 12.3 and say 3. Okay. So first of all, write binary equivalents of these numbers. So 12.3. It can be written as 12. It is 1, 1, 0, 0. It is 12. Then 0.3. So to convert 0.3 into binary, multiply it by 2. It will become 0.6. then 0.6 into 2, it will be 1.2, then 0.2, it will be 0.2 into 2, it will be 0.4, then 0.4 into 2, it will be 0.8, then 0.8 into 2, it will be 1.6. Okay, am I right? Then 0.6 into 2, it will be 1.2. Now you will see the repeating pattern. Okay, 1.2, 0.4, point, and so on. So after that, you can write these bits. It will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, let us write up to this. Then into 2 power 0. Then 3 is equal to 3 simply say it is 0, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 1 into 2 power 0. Okay, now you can multiply the mantisas. So mantissa one number is, first number is this value. Okay, and second mantissa value is this value. Okay, so let us write it. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 into 0, 1, 1 into 2 power 2. Then this is 0 plus 0. It is 0. Okay. Excuse me, students. So now I'm directly writing the multiplication value. Okay. So it will be 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, point 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Into 2 power g. You can verify this value on yourself. Just use the normal multiplication method. Okay. And verify the result. Now, to verify the answer whether 12.3 into 3 that we are using the method is correct or not, convert the number into equivalent decimal value. Okay. So now it is, this is 0th place, first place, 2 power 2 place. So it is 4, then it is 3, 4, 5, 2 power 5, 32. So it is 36 point, okay. That will be 0.5, 0.25, because it is 2 power minus 1 place, 2 power minus 2 place, that is 0.25. Then 2 power minus 3 means 1 over 8, it will be 0.125. Okay, and so on. So if we add all these, you will get approximately 36.898906. It is in decimal. Approximately it is 36.9. 36.9. Okay. Now you can see it is 12 into 3, 36, and this is 0.9. So I think our answer is, it is correct. Okay. So this method you can follow for multiplication of given binary number. Okay. So let us consider one example related to division of binary numbers given in floating point form. Say the numbers are 12.4. Suppose it is to be divided by, say, 2. Okay. So now write 12.4 in binary form. So it will be 1, 1, 0, 0, point. Now 0.4. So 0.4 we can convert into binary by successive multiplication with 2. 0.4 into 2, it will be 0.8. Then 0.8 into 2, 1.6. Then 0.6 into 2, 1.2, and so on. Okay, now you see the repeating pattern. So you can simply write starting from this bit 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Into 2 power 0. Now to simplify the division process, let me make this mantissa a simple fixed point number. So I can shift the decimal place in right direction. Okay. So even to reduce the number of steps, let me remove these zeros. Okay. It will be 2 power 0 is equal to, notice 0, 1, 2, 2 power minus 3. Okay. Then it is to be divided by 2. The 2, it is written as, say, 1, 0. So 1, 0 into 2 power 0. Okay. So now division, first step is to divide the mantissa of one number with the mantissa of second number, and then subtract the exponent value of second number from first number. Okay, so let us first of all perform the division. So division is, that is similar to that we do in case of decimal number. So this is the mantissa of first number. It is to be divided by 2. Okay. So apply the division method. So first of all 1, 0. Okay. So subtract 1, 0 from 1, 1, you will get 1. Okay. Write down the next 0. Okay. And repeat the process. Now it is 1. You will get 0 here. Okay. Write down the next bit. It is 0. Okay. Now the 0, 0 is less than 1, 0. So you have to write the next bit. The 0 for this, you have to put a 0 in the quotient. Okay. Again, it is less than 1, 0. Write next bit. Write a 0 in the quotient. Again, it is less than 1, 0. write next bit and write a 0 for this. Okay. Now you can subtract the divisor. Now for subtraction we write 1. Okay. The difference is 1. Okay. Now you have a remainder value 1. And if you want to continue the division, you can place a binary point here 1 and then write 0. Now you can subtract the divisor and you get 0 here, and for this division you have to write 1 at this place. Okay, so with this we obtained the quotient, okay, with the remainder 0 because we have placed the binary value here. So our result is, it is 1 1 0 0 0 1.1 into 2 power. The difference of minus 3 and 0, it will be minus 3. Okay. Now to verify the result, we want to convert this value into decimal. So for this, just make the exponent power 0. So exponent term 0. So shift this decimal, binary point in left direction by 3 positions. So it will be 1 1 0 0.0011 into 2 power 0. Okay. Now convert this value into decimal to verify the result. Okay. Now left side you can see this value is 110. It means it is 6 then point 6 point. Then it is minus 1 place, minus 2 place, minus 3 place. Minus 3 means 0.125. Minus 4 place. Okay, it is 1/16, and you will get approximately 6.1875. Okay, so if you consider more number of bits of the dividend, then you will find the answer approximately 6.2. 6.2. Okay, so which is what we can obtain if we divide 12.4 by 2 in this form directly. So it will be 6.2. Okay, so in this way you can divide any given floating point number with any second given floating point number.